Leather cleaning. Leather should be cleaned every 30 days, and Perrone's deep cleaner is easy to use. Here's what you'll need to complete the job. About 1.5 ounces of Perrone's deep cleaner, a horsehair brush, a clean cloth, and some gloves. Begin by spraying Perrone's deep cleaner onto the horsehair brush. Do not spray directly onto the leather. Do not use any other type of brush. Only genuine horsehair brushes are safe for cleaning leather. Agitate in a circular motion, cleaning panel by panel. Do not use excessive pressure. Allow the chemical to do the work for you. You'll see the soil and dirt being released. Use our smaller brush to reach into seams. Then remove the soil and chemical with a clean cloth. Turn the cloth frequently and use a fresh cloth so you don't deposit the soil back onto the leather. Reapply the product and repeat the process until the entire leather surface is clean. Allow 3 minutes to air dry prior to conditioning or use of the passenger place. Removing gum from leather. Perrone's deep cleaner for leather solves the problem of removing gum. For this job, you'll need about 1.5 ounces of Perrone's deep cleaner per gum area, a craft stick, a horsehair brush, some clean cloth, and some gloves. Start by spraying Perrone's deep cleaner directly onto the gum. Let the product stand for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how much gum you're trying to remove. Once the deep cleaner has penetrated the gum, then you can mechanically remove it with a craft stick. Do not use metal scrapers or blades for this process, only use a craft stick. Use caution to not damage the surface of the leather. We'll speed up this process for you in this training session. Once most of the gum has been removed, apply the deep cleaner to a horsehair brush. Then agitate the area in a circular motion to remove any remaining gum. You may want to clean the entire dress cover at this time. Removing ink stains from leather. Perrone's ink remover safely removes ink stains from top-coated leather. All you'll need is about 1/4 ounce of Perrone's ink remover per stain, Perrone's deep cleaner, cotton swabs, some clean cloth, a horsehair brush, and some gloves. Start by applying Perrone's ink remover to the stain. Let the product penetrate the ink for 3 to 5 minutes. Using a cotton swab, agitate the area and lift the ink out of the leather. Turn the swab often and use fresh swabs so you don't deposit the ink back onto the leather. Once the ink has been removed, the entire dress cover should be cleaned. If the stain you are working on is dried or set in, the end result of this process will be a lightening of the stain. Here is a cross-section of leather. This is the cowhide itself. Next, you have a layer of pigment and resin material. Lastly, in red, you will see the protective clear top coat of the leather. This layer adds durability and aesthetics to your leather. It protects color transfer onto passenger clothing and gives leather extended life. Although it offers protection, it is not impermeable. Stains such as ink can be absorbed under this layer and become a permanent part of your leather. Ink stains that have soaked into and under the protective clear top coat of the leather cannot be topically removed. This occurrence should be considered damage and should be sent to Perrone Aerospace's FAA Part 145 repair station for repair. Leather conditioning. Perrone's leather conditioner restores finished leather to its natural soft, supple feel. You should condition leather every 30 days after it has been cleaned with our deep cleaner. You'll use about 1.5 ounces of leather conditioner per passenger space, a clean cloth, and some gloves. Do not condition dirty leather. Be sure to clean the dress cover first. Conditioning is an easy job. Simply apply Perrone's leather conditioner to a clean cloth and work the product evenly into the leather in a circular motion. Remove any excess product with a clean cloth. Allow 3 to 5 minutes for the product to air cure prior to use. Identification of damages for repair. Here we are going to show you some examples of leather that cannot be repaired in the field with topical cleaning products. When you encounter these types of issues, you can send the leather dress cover to Perrone Aerospace's FAA Part 145 repair station for repair. This type of damage includes set-in stains that cannot be removed, abrasions or scratches in the finish system, and rub-through in the leather finish. This type of damage can easily be repaired by a qualified repair facility. Additional damage to leather dress covers, such as rips, tears, and holes in the leather, will need to be repaired by the addition of a new leather panel. This can be done by removing the bad panel from the cover and replacing it with a new one. This should only be performed by a qualified repair facility.